Bible Study Guide, Day 80, Deuteronomy 30 to 31. In chapter 30, Moses continues his message to the Israelites, reminding them that if they turn back to God with all their heart and soul, then He will restore their fortunes and have compassion on them. This promise of prosperity is conditional upon obedience to God's commandments. Moses reassures the Israelites that God's commandments are not too difficult for them to follow. They have been given the law, and they have the ability to obey it. This echoes Paul's message in Romans 8:4, where he says that the righteous requirement of the law is fulfilled in us who walk according to the Spirit. As Christians, we have been given the Holy Spirit to guide and empower us to follow God's commands. We no longer live under the burden of trying to earn salvation through obedience, but instead we are motivated by love for God and gratitude for His grace. Moses presents the Israelites with a choice: life or death, blessings or curses. He urges them to choose life by loving and obeying God, for that is the key to their prosperity and success in the Promised Land. In our lives, we are faced with countless choices every day. Each one has consequences, and it is up to us to choose wisely. God has given us free will, but He also desires for us to choose Him and His ways. When we align our choices with His will, we experience abundant life and blessings. Moses informs the Israelites of his impending death and his inability to enter the Promised Land. He reassures them that God is their true leader, promising to lead them into the Promised Land. God will battle the nations residing there and emerge victorious. Moses then summons Joshua before the people, urging him, as he did the Israelites, not to fear. The key to overcoming fear lies in remembering the nearness of God. Moses anoints Joshua to succeed him as the leader of Israel. He instructs the priests and elders to read the law every 7 years during the Feast of Tabernacles, so that all the people may hear it and learn to fear God. God then reveals to Moses that after his death, the people of Israel will turn away from him and worship other gods, bringing disaster upon themselves. However, he assures Moses that his wrath will not burn against them forever. God then commands Moses to write a song for the Israelites as a witness against them in the future, reminding them of God's faithfulness and warning them of the consequences of disobedience. As we reflect on these chapters, let us remember the importance of wholehearted devotion and obedience to God. Let us also be mindful of the choices we make and strive to align them with His will. And most importantly, let us cling to His faithfulness and mercy, knowing that He always desires for us to choose life and blessings through our love and obedience to Him. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help us spread the word. God bless you.